Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I do a curly high puff, especially when your curls do not come out the way you wanted. So today I started off doing a Bantu knot-out, and yeah, I used a gel, and the type of gel that I use, and of course my hair was already stretched, and of course stretch hair gives you a really popping high puff. I used the main choice Do It For The Culture Buttery Gel. In my opinion, this gel did not do much for my hair but leave a bit of flakes, so that's another story for another day. So trying to do the Bantu knots, I twisted a little bit at the root and then hold it at the root, and then I kept wrapping it at the end and then wrapped it in a knot. I think I may have twisted too tight, but I'm 100% sure my takedown was totally incorrect. However, I've not achieved Bantu knots like perfect as yet, so I'm gonna keep practicing, and once I get it, then I'll be able to show y'all. But I'm losing hope. This is my third time practicing, by the way, and I didn't upload the video, so I know, right? But yeah, so you continue doing pretty much the same size Bantu knots all over, and then you're gonna eventually take them down. But I guess you guys can watch to see how I put them in and secured them with pins. So I went in with the same oil from the same line, the main choice Do It For The Culture Spray Shine, and I decided to put that on my hair, on my roots, and to use to take down the Bantu knots. Now initially taking down the Bantu knots, it was fine. I was like, oh, pretty defined, right? And then when I looked again, I was like, boy, I don't know how I'm gonna pull these out without making it frizzy. But you guys gonna see, you're gonna see. I had a bit of hope right here, but I knew it. I knew it was just, you know, not because Bantu knots are hard to separate. They're so hard. Oh my gosh, they're so hard. So here's where I started to separate them. A mess.
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
So of course the first thing that came to my mind was to do a high puff. That's the quickest, easiest thing if you have issues with your hair or your twists don't come out right. You can easily just finesse it in a style. So I decided to do a high puff today. I could have done like 2 puffs. I thought that would have been cute too, but I had just already completed a trim, so my hair is a little bit shorter at the back. But either way, I just decided to pick this out, and then I went in with the type 4 line from the main choice there, freezing gel, which I always use on my edges. And I used that on my high puff, meaning the edges, to brush it in and to give that sleek look. All in all, to me, this look came out pretty good at the end of the day, and I showed you guys how you can easily finesse something once something doesn't turn out the way that you would like. Yeah, so I used the regular band it's a goodie band that I got from Walmart, and it has like these rubber things in the middle on the inside. It wasn't tight enough, so I decided to cut it and tie it. so it can be a little bit more sleek and my puff can look a little bit more, you know, beautiful, you know, neat. So what I did was just use that rubber band and then just pushed it up at the back and pull the hair out. And then you're gonna cut and knot the, you can cut it first, but it's easier for me if I cut it while I've already had the band on, so everything could be in place, you know. Knot it, and then you're gonna now pick and shape your fro and fix your edges how you like. Because this was too frizzy, so I decided to do a high puff. Like, why not? Why not, sis? Why not? So now I can act like I'm a little bit fixed, okay? So, alright, let's see. Good. Then we're gonna use some more oil because my hair seems to be looking a little bit more dry than usual. And we're gonna spray that and use our hand to give it some whirl. Okay guys, so I decided to do this Bantu knot out tutorial for you guys. However, it was a major fail to me. Let me tell you why. I feel like Bantu knot outs clamp my hair together way too much for it to be like lit. Like, I don't know how to, I think though my technique with taking them down is my problem, especially when you're separating them and then you gotta kind of like roll it back over your finger. I think I'm rolling it the wrong way. So yeah, but either way, I decided to finesse it a bit and put a high puff and, you know, make it different and do something a little bit more sleek for you. So yeah, I mean, it came out pretty cool, but it's just so frizzy to leave out. Like, it doesn't look good like a twist out, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and the way you can also find different styles if you feel twist out or Bantu knot out or something like that. Of course, this is the basic style. They kind of pin it back on one side or maybe pin it back on the other. But yeah, this is what I decided to go for because usually I don't wear my hair up anymore. But thank you guys for tuning into this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications. Bye, guys.